Oats Besan Chilla. This is a healthy and tasty breakfast dish which can be made under 15 minutes. This dish is a perfect blend of taste, texture and health benefits. It can be served with green chutney and tomato ketchup. So let us have a look at the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of Quaker oats. Roast the oats for few seconds. Allow the oats to cool down for few minutes and then blend it to a fine powder. Now in a large mixing bowl I am adding 1 cup of powdered oats, 1 cup of besan, 1 large chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, half cup of grated carrot, half cup of chopped coriander, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per taste. I am adding 2.5 cups of water and mixing it well. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix. Heat a pan, add few drops of oil and grease the pan. Pour a ladle full of batter and spread it. Drizzle few drops of oil around the chilla. Cover and cook until one side is cooked well. Flip the chilla and cook on the other side. Serve Oats Besan Chilla with green chutney and tomato ketchup. The recipe for green chutney is given in the description box below. Do try this easy and healthy breakfast dish and let me have your feedback. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.